Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Why does my car shut off when I step on the gas? Troubleshooting guide. Ever stepped on your gas pedal, only to have your car shut off instead of accelerating? It's not just frustrating, it can be downright dangerous. Understanding why this happens can save you from a lot of headaches and potential hazards on the road. In this post, we'll dive into the common reasons behind this issue, from fuel system problems to electronic sensor failures, and what steps you can take to resolve it. Stay tuned, because knowing what to look for could keep your car running smoothly and safely. Common reasons and solutions. Car trouble can be frustrating, especially when your vehicle shuts off unexpectedly. Several common issues could be causing your car to stall when you step on the gas pedal. Let's look at the typical culprits and how you can resolve them to get back on the road smoothly. Faulty fuel pump or filter. If your car stalls when accelerating, a faulty fuel pump or filter could be to blame. Symptoms of this issue include sputtering engine performance, lack of power, and difficulty starting your car. To diagnose this problem, you can perform a fuel pressure test using a gauge to check if the pump is delivering the correct pressure. If the pressure is low, it may be time to replace the fuel pump or filter. Clogged air filter. A clogged air filter can severely impact your engine's performance, leading to stalling when you accelerate. When the air filter is clogged, it restricts airflow to the engine, resulting in poor combustion and reduced power output. To address this issue, locate your air filter housing, usually found under the hood, and inspect the filter. If it's dirty or clogged with debris, replace it with a new one to restore proper airflow and prevent stalling. Throttle position sensor malfunction. Another common reason for stalling when pressing the gas pedal is a malfunctioning throttle position sensor. This component monitors the position of the throttle and sends signals to the engine control unit to adjust the air-fuel mixture and engine performance. If the throttle position sensor fails or malfunctions, it can disrupt this communication and cause stalling. Testing the sensor requires a multimeter to check for proper voltage signals. If the sensor is faulty, replacing it can resolve the stalling issue. By addressing these common causes of stalling when accelerating, you can troubleshoot the problem effectively and keep your car running smoothly. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can help prevent these issues and ensure a reliable driving experience. If you encounter persistent stalling problems, consulting a professional mechanic for a thorough inspection and diagnosis is recommended. Inspection steps. Car troubles can be frustrating, especially when your vehicle shuts off unexpectedly. If you're experiencing issues with your car stalling when you step on the gas pedal, there are some DIY inspection steps you can take to troubleshoot the problem before seeking professional help. By following these simple steps, you can get a better understanding of what may be causing the issue. Check engine light codes. One of the first things you can do is check for any error codes using an OBD2 scanner. This device plugs into your car's onboard diagnostics port and can provide valuable information about potential issues with your vehicle. By reading the error codes, you can narrow down the possible causes of your car stalling when accelerating. Inspecting fuel delivery system. Next, it's essential to inspect your vehicle's fuel delivery system. Start by checking the fuel pump to ensure it is functioning correctly. A faulty fuel pump can lead to inadequate fuel delivery, causing your car to stall. Additionally, inspecting the fuel filter and fuel injectors can help identify any clogs or malfunctions that may be affecting your car's performance. Examining the air intake system. Lastly, examine your car's air intake system for any potential issues. Begin by inspecting the air filter to see if it's dirty or clogged, as this can restrict airflow to the engine. Check the throttle body for any carbon buildup that may be impeding air intake, and inspect the intake manifold for leaks or damage that could affect engine performance. Taking these steps can help ensure your car's air intake system is functioning properly. By following these DIY inspection steps, you can gain valuable insights into why your car may be stalling when you press on the gas pedal. Remember to approach each inspection methodically and carefully to pinpoint any issues that may be causing your vehicle to shut off unexpectedly. Professional diagnosis and repair. When your car shuts off unexpectedly, it's essential to seek professional help for an accurate diagnosis and proper repair. Consulting a mechanic can save you time and money by pinpointing the root cause of the issue. Here are some tips to help you choose a reliable mechanic for this crucial task: consulting a mechanic. Look for certified mechanics. Certified mechanics have the necessary training and expertise to diagnose and repair complex car issues. Ask for recommendations. Seek referrals from friends, family, or online reviews to find a mechanic with a proven track record of reliable service. Inquire about experience. Opt for a mechanic with years of experience working on similar car models to ensure they are well versed in diagnosing and fixing your specific issue. Request a detailed estimate. Before committing to any repairs, ask for a breakdown of the costs involved to avoid unexpected expenses. When it comes to repairing or replacing components in your vehicle to resolve the issue of stalling when stepping on the gas pedal, it's crucial to understand the process involved. Repairing or replacing components. Diagnose the problem. The mechanic will conduct a thorough inspection to identify the faulty components causing your car to shut off. This may involve running diagnostic tests or performing visual inspections. Repairing the issue. Once the problem is pinpointed, the mechanic will proceed with repairing the faulty components. This could involve fixing wiring issues, cleaning clogged fuel injectors, or addressing other mechanical issues. Replacing damaged parts. In some cases, the best course of action is to replace damaged parts rather than attempting repairs. The mechanic will recommend quality replacement parts to ensure the issue is fully resolved. Seeking professional help for complex car issues like sudden stalling is crucial to ensure your safety on the road and the longevity of your vehicle. By consulting a qualified mechanic and following their repair recommendations, you can address the problem effectively and get back on the road with confidence. Preventive maintenance tips. Regular engine tune-ups are crucial to the overall health and longevity of your car. Setting and sticking to a regular maintenance schedule ensures that your engine functions optimally, reducing the risk of potential breakdowns and costly repairs. By maintaining a consistent tune-up routine, you can address issues promptly before they escalate and keep your vehicle running smoothly for years to come. Regular engine tune UPS. Establishing a routine for engine tune-ups can help you identify and address any potential issues early on. During a tune-up, a skilled mechanic will inspect various components of your engine, such as spark plugs, filters, belts, and fluids. By replacing worn-out parts, adjusting settings, and conducting necessary repairs, you can prevent more significant problems down the line. Regular tune-ups also contribute to better fuel efficiency, improved performance, and reduced emissions, benefiting both your car and the environment. Fuel system maintenance. Maintaining the fuel system of your vehicle is essential for ensuring proper engine function and fuel efficiency. Regularly inspecting and cleaning fuel system components, such as fuel injectors, filters, and pumps, can help prevent clogs and malfunctions. Keeping the fuel system well maintained also contributes to smoother acceleration, optimal combustion, and overall vehicle performance. Additionally, using high-quality fuel and additives can help protect your fuel system from corrosion and deposits, extending its lifespan and preventing potential issues. Suggestive preventive measures. 1. Schedule regular tune-ups every 12,000–15,000 miles or as recommended by your vehicle manufacturer. 2. Check and replace air filters, fuel filters, and spark plugs according to the maintenance schedule. 3. Maintain proper tire pressure and alignment to reduce strain on the engine. 4. Use quality fuel from reputable sources to prevent fuel system contamination. 5. Consider using fuel system cleaners periodically to keep components clean and efficient. By following these preventive maintenance tips, you can proactively care for your car, minimize the risk of sudden breakdowns, and ensure a smooth driving experience. Taking the time to maintain your vehicle regularly can save you money in the long run and help you avoid unexpected issues on the road. When your car shuts off when you step on the gas pedal, it means a serious issue that needs quick attention. Ignoring it can cause more damage and higher repair costs. Common causes include fuel system problems, spark plug issues, or a faulty throttle. Don't ignore these signs. Get an inspection from a trusted mechanic. They can diagnose and fix the problem fast. Keep your car safe and running smoothly. Take action now to avoid bigger headaches later. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.